consultant. Now, before that, we should understand that why we should learn AWS, as we have different other vendors as well in the market, and we have lot of other cloud providers. But why we should go ahead with the AWS? So the first and foremost reason is the popularity. AWS is a market leader, and it, as we saw, that it has acquired around 90% of a market and the public cloud market. So basically, it's the fastest growing, also based on for the regions it is hosted, based on the services it is launching. That is one of the reasons why you should learn. Then lot more and more organizations, they are moving towards AWS rather than any other vendors because of the different offerings being made by it. AWS certifications are very popular and very valuable in the market. If you go ahead with that, your CV and your resume have add-on advantage. Apart from that, if you will be glad to know that the big companies like Netflix, Reddit, Pinterest, and a lot of other companies, or a lot of other startup companies also, they all are using AWS. They all are running on AWS. They're not using their own premises or the cloud of these cities. Rather, they have moved to AWS, and there are some which are moving to AWS to make sure that they save their cost and they can utilize it in some other resource.